Go, go.
Okay, ready na? Okay. Pahigan, pahigan, kami mapasundayan. Pahigan, pahigan, kami mapasundayan.
Oh, go.
Kanda na kamay.
Ang dami yung girls. Ang dami yung girls. Ang dami yung girls. We are the Benton team.
Group 2, strong and true, clean and bright, are an all we do. Housekeeping power, go, go, go!
Susunod dapat preparahan nila man.
Who's gonna clean
We gotta clean.
when the mess gets wild and mean?
Call the housekeeping team.
Who do now this job that everyone hates?
We the housekeeping team.
If everyone hates this job,
We the housekeeper will love you.
housekeeping ain't easy.
But this team will divide.
We clean with pride, we clean with mind. Housekeeping group 3, we do it right.
Happy housekeeping.
Mamulasit ka sa direksyon eh. Mapabago.
Two minutes left.
Tanan ka mo, go.
Makabuhay ang shopping! Congratulations, you two! Okay! Picture daw, sige. So next, our winner based on our judges' score. So sino kaya sa tingin nyo dito? Group 1?
Ano kaya?
The winner for our card making contest based on our judges' scores. Group 3! Okay, kasama ko yung dito special prize dito, team. Congratulations! Group 3!
Kaya wala kasi
Yay!
Mega.
So now,
Guys! Tapos, gini.
hawak ko na. Ang karton. Washing machine. Ano kaya nasa loob ng may wagang karton?
Wala.
Live.
Okay lang, may mga nang ako.
Second place, who garnered 100 points. Group 1. Please get your prize here, Group 1. Pa-picture po tayo. Congratulations.
Pagkabuhayan na.
Pa-picture lang po sila. Picture. So, for our first place,
Wala.
oh, 105 points. And it is group number 2. For our housekeeping week celebration is group 3, who garnered a total of 110 points.
Oh, gawa. Wala, mandi ko kabalo. Gawa. Ha?
Isa on.
Pam?
Isa on.
Siya ang group 3 nag-agaw pa na. Ano group?
May tatlo na ko kilo.
May group 3 na daw.
Nag-try na kaya ako mo.